What does our world look like from above? From 250 miles up, astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience our planet in ways most of us can only imagine. Today, we're exploring the extraordinary photography that gives us a glimpse of their perspective, focusing on recently released stunning images of Mount Everest taken from orbit. Don Petit, NASA's oldest active astronaut, has become known not just for his scientific work aboard the International Space Station, but for his extraordinary eye as a photographer. Throughout his missions, Petit has documented Earth from above with unparalleled dedication and artistic vision. Recently, Petit shared what he called the best photos from SpaceVrse I have seen. But interestingly, Petit wasn't the photographer. These images were captured by his crewmate, astronaut Butch Wilmore. From the ground, Everest appears as an imposing, almost unconquerable summit. What's particularly striking about these images is the clarity, allowing us to see not just Everest itself, but the surrounding peaks and valleys that make up this extraordinary landscape. Capturing these images is far more complex than simply pointing a camera out of a window. The International Space Station orbits Earth at 17,500 miles per hour, completing a full orbit every 90 minutes. This means astronauts have brief windows of opportunity to photograph specific locations. The station's orbit doesn't pass directly over every location on Earth. Instead, it follows an inclined path that covers regions between 51.6 degrees north and south latitude. Astronauts must plan their photography sessions based on orbital predictions, sometimes waiting days for the right opportunity to photograph specific landmarks like Mount Everest. As these extraordinary Everest photographs circulate the world, the astronaut who shared them is preparing to return to Earth. Don Petit, along with Russian cosmonauts Alexei Ovchinin and Ivan Wagner, will conclude their mission on Saturday, April 19th, with a parachute landing in Kazakhstan. Their return journey will begin when they board the Soyuz spacecraft docked to the station. After undocking, they'll perform a deorbit burn, slowing their velocity and beginning their descent through Earth's atmosphere. The most dramatic moment comes during re-entry, when temperatures outside the capsule reach thousands of degrees. Finally, parachutes will deploy, bringing them gently down to the steppes of Kazakhstan at approximately 9:20 p.m. Eastern Time. The Everest photographs are just one highlight in a vast collection of imagery captured by astronauts aboard the International Space Station. During his mission, Petit has shared numerous remarkable views, including the Nile River illuminated at night, star trails created by long-exposure photography as the station orbits, and even the Los Angeles wildfires, visible from space as glowing scars on the landscape. These images do more than document our world. They transform our understanding of it. Beyond their aesthetic value, these images contribute to NASA's Earth observation program, helping scientists track environmental changes, monitor natural disasters, and better understand the complex systems that govern our planet. As Don Petit and his crewmates prepare to return from their cosmic vantage point, they leave behind not just scientific data, but a visual legacy that helps all of us better understand our place in the universe. From Mount Everest, Earth's highest point, to the vast expanses of our oceans and continents, astronaut photography offers us a precious gift: the ability to see our world as a single, interconnected system. In the words of astronauts who have experienced this view firsthand, there are no borders visible from space, just one fragile blue marble suspended in the vastness of the cosmos. And through their lenses, we get to share in that extraordinary perspective, if only for a moment. As Petit himself noted, when your mission is over, it's photographs and memories. And the photographs help complete the story of what it means for human beings to expand into space and expand into this frontier. Through these images of Mount Everest and countless other wonders of our world seen from above, that story continues to unfold.